Right about. Nodding Nia.
No, no.
It's
Fruit.
It's not as scary as vegetables.
Okay.
Do you know
with
what
fruit,
all these fruits are?
most of them.
Beth ydy hwn? Let's start with the one you're most likely to not
That's
know.
a plum, a peach, a peach, a peach, a peach.
Peach.
Peach. Because the plums are smaller.
Plum.
Plum.
Yn Gymraeg, iawn. Wel, plums ydy eirin.
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 And do you know what the Welsh word for peach is?
Eiriniau.
Hairy plums.
Are you kidding me?
No, it's for real. It's great. Eirin gwlanog. Honestly.
Wouldn't it be blewog?
Well, yeah. Blewog is strictly hairy. Gwlanog is more fuzzy. Furry.
You're killing me.
No, really. It's great, isn't it? So, eirin, plums.
Yeah.
Eirin glanog, peaches.
Eirin glanog.
Eirin glanog, yeah.
And grapes.
Grapes. Ti'n gwybod beth ydy grapes?
Na. Right, fi'n licio bita
A
grape.
fi hefyd.
Ti eisiau?
Oh, great. What do we make with grapes?
Wine.
Gwyn.
Gwyn.
So, grawnwyn, literally, the grain that you make wine with, I guess, to help you remember. Grawnwyn.
Grawnwyn.
Hoff ffrwyth fi, my favourite fruit.
Cherry.
Ceirios.
Ceirios, curious cherries.
Yeah, that
Ceirios.
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 Mae'n like curious ceirios, da iawn.
Raspberries. What is it called?
Mafon.
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 And strawberries?
No idea.
Mefus.
Mevis. No, I do know Mevis because of jam.
Melys. Right.
Oren.
Oren, da iawn. Oren? Orenau?
Orenau. A
Yeah.
pair of oranges.
Yeah.
Afal.
More than one?
Afeliau.
Yeah, afalau.
Afalau.
A wedyn, beth ydy hwn?
A lovely pair.
Gellygen?
That's the difficult way.
Good one, yndi.
Why make it more difficult?
Gellyg.
Gellig.
Yeah.
Gellig.
Gellygen?
Gelligen.
Gellyg.
Gellig.
Beth ydy hwn?
Pinafal.
Yeah! Matt.
Pinafal.
Ti'n licio pinafal?
Ia, fi'n caru pinafal.